beehiver. There he goes. This is Kelly on her trip up to the beehive. There's a massive mansion right over there. And this is our view from up top here. I wonder what that one is. Let's see, that's that. And then over here, that's Cadillac Mountain up there. That's Atlantic coast. And earlier, up there, that's where we saw some eagles. All kinds of stuff to see up here. There's a seagull. And this is what the top looks like. Over there.
I would really appreciate a rail right there. Just saying.
Did you like it?
I'm glad I did it, I guess.
And how was it in the middle of it?
Fucking the scariest shit I've had happen in a long time.
What did you feel like?
Death.
Death.
Shaky death.
Shaky death.
Hey, can you put that away and safely exit the mountain now? Good day.
Are you gonna cry on the way down?